How to delete private videos on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Go to your feed and tap on the private video section as shown. Here, you can view all your private videos on TikTok. Now, open the video that you want to remove. Then tap on the three dots on the right side of the screen. Here, swipe left and tap on Delete. Tap on Delete again to confirm. You have now successfully deleted this video from your private videos. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and delete private videos on TikTok.